Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your iPhone caller ID not working on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, caller ID not working, then here are the fixes. The first one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and look for the option go to apps and look for the phone app. Tap on phone app. And here scroll down and make sure that show my caller ID, tap on it, make sure that this feature is duly enabled on your iPhone. This feature must be enabled on your iPhone, so you must enable show my caller ID option from phone app on your iPhone and check whether your caller ID working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restart your iPhone. Simply conjointly press power button and volume up button and slide down to turn off your iPhone, and again after some times restart your iPhone and check whether after restarting your iPhone caller ID working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here you will find the software update, so tap on software update, checking for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating iOS may be a cause of caller ID not working in your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone, tap on general. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here again tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with your passcode or Face ID and again tap on reset network settings. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and your problem should be definitely be resolved.